Hi, this is my bike. I've got a 2011 Subrosa Salvador. It's the street edition. Odyssey lumberjack handlebars, cult grips with Odyssey power ends. I've got the Odyssey trigger and Odyssey cable to the stock brakes with Flybike's pads. Subrosa stem, kink Bike Co headset, stock Subrosa forks, Mission hub laced to a stock rim, and an Odyssey Aiken P-Light 2.5 tire. In the back, I've got the stock wheel with an Odyssey Path P-Light tire 2.1. On this side of my bike, I've got Odyssey twisted PCs, stock cranks, stock sprocket with KMC white chain. My seat is the Kink Sean Sexton seat with an animal seat post and a kink seat post clamp. I got two boned up pegs, one's longer than the other, and I think that's about it. I hope you like my bike check, so you better comment, and you better rate, and you better subscribe.
Yeah.